Hi, hello guys. Welcome to Code and Rock Work YouTube channel. Yeah, in this video, what we are going to be talk about means we are going to be convert the CSV into a database. Okay. Once we are going to be converted the CSV into the database, what you are can able to do in the database that everything we can able to do with in a CSV file. Okay. Actually, database, what you can able to do, you can use the query. Okay, using the query, we can going to be filter the specific data. Okay, so this concept we can able to do after converted that database into the CSV. Okay, so this is the main concept. So once you are converted that CSV into a database, so you can generally pass the query in, and you can able to do. Okay, so here the main advantage is we are using the CSV kit package in the Python. Apart from that, we are don't need to install any database as well. This is a main very advantage of. So we don't need install any SQL server or PG's curve server. We are just using the CSV kit, and then we are going to be convert that CSV into the database. Okay, it like the database. Okay, so then I pause that query, I can able to get the data with the help of the CSV package only. I'm going to be do with completely full and full Python and CSV packages only. I'm going to be do. I don't need to. I actually not going to be install anything or like server or everything. Everything we are going to be do with this help of the CSV kit package with Python only. Okay, so that's one of the very big advantages, guys. So in your projects or when the client is given this like this or project, but you don't want to install the database means, you can try this type of the method. This is very one of the helpful, guys. Let's go to the code how we can do this or everything. First of all, we need to install the packages. Okay, this is actually the packages guy. So we need to install these packages. Okay, then only the concept is going to be work. After installed, uh, you give the query in the next feature. Okay, how to give the query? You can so first of all type the variable and just after that inside the string just or type the query like just a normal query you can leave. So that's only enough. This data is the data is here given. This is actually sheet name. The CSV file. In the CSV file, actually, that CSV file inside we have the sheet name. So that sheet name we are going to be use this in this place of the after the frame. So this is a simple, guys. Okay. So now need. Okay, now we have the one question. Where is that CSV file? I already uploaded here CSV dot or that dot CSV extension for that data. So before that, go to run. Before run, we need to uh, explore that data dot CSV inside what they're showing. So first of all, go to in this downloads and open the data. Here, this is the actual data, friends. Here, ID, name, age, country. So this is the actual file. Here, the sheet name is the data. So in this sheet name only, we are going to be use that place of the after the from in the SQL query. Okay. So now we are going to be close this. After here, we need to upload here. Once using this upper arrow button, we are going to be upload this data dots or CSV file. Once we are uploaded, that file is actually come in this place. So this is how the concept is actually worked here. After that, here actually I already installed, already I uploaded, so I no need to again click the upload button and upload again. Okay, so finally I'm going to be use this place only. So now what we can going to be do, use the final query to run the file. This is the main syntax I'm going to be type here. So this query is actually made by explanatory CSV SQL hyphen is actually syntax. So here in this string and then curly bracket or instead we are using the SQL query. So this is actually what it means. This is actually a variable. What variable? This is actually a, in this above we have one line, right. In this cell variable we are going to be passed in this in this inside the curly bracket. That's enough. Finally we should call the data.csv. So once we are going to be run, we get all the data. Why means we are passed that related query name only. So here I am going to be finally we are going to be run this both, and then you can able to see how it's working like that. Yeah, we got the output, friends. Here the entire data we have actually we collected in these places, right. This only we have actually saw in that CSV file, right. I'm going to be use another filter to find you can able to understood the uh, exact concept. Okay, email equal to I'm going to be use email underscore 43 at example.com. Okay, so this is actually I'm used. So I you understood, friends. Here this email actually about a column name. This column name we have actually get inside the data.csv file only. So once used, I am that column name inside, which means email or email column inside. There are a lot of the email or data is there. So I'm going to be use the specific data. Once if I run this, actually I get the specific data for that csv file only. So you can able to see in this, right, email underscore 43 exam. So this one row only we are going to be return. So finally I'm going to be run, we will see the output. Actually some syntax error, we need to fix that once. I actually check. mm, Sorry, I actually need to use this in this where condition. So now we can run that. Yeah, we have successfully got the output. Now you can able to see clearly, right, where I'm going to be query with using the specific condition, email condition only, email underscore 43. It going to be, so it's going to be take where the which places that email 43 example.com is there in the CSV file. That one it going to be returned. So this is how it's working like. So this is very helpful, friends, in through in your projects. You don't need to install any database, and then you can give the query. Uh, okay, so you don't need to install any database. You can simply use the CSV kit package and use the CSV file, and using this CSV kit converted into the database. And if you use the query, finally you can able to get the filter based on the what query you are given. Based on the result you can get without installing the any database SQL server. So I hope you actually like this video. Kindly please subscribe my channel. I will provide the like this and more innovative videos. I upcoming I will provide and you my best. Thank you so much.